Did you know the difference between pure Kienyeji and improved Kienyeji chickens could mean the difference between low survival and high profits? Today at Cholla Farm, we are breaking it all down from feeding, housing, care tips, and which breed gives you the best returns. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which chicken fits your farm dream. Here in the village, poultry farming is more than just business. It's a way of life. At Cholla Farm, we raise both pure Kienyeji and improved Kienyeji. But what's the difference? Pure Kienyeji are the local traditional birds, hardy and resistant to diseases. But they grow slowly and lay fewer eggs. Improved Kienyeji, on the other hand, are selectively bred to grow faster, produce more eggs, and still remain strong for village conditions. Let's look closer. Let's dive into the pros and cons of pure Kienyeji. So pure Kienyeji are survivors. They can find their own food, insects, grass, and kitchen leftovers. They need little feed and survive harsh village conditions. Farmers love them for their sweet meat flavor and brooding nature. They hatch and raise chicks naturally. But here's the catch. They grow slowly, taking up to 6 to 8 months to reach market size. Egg production is low, about 60 to 100 eggs per year. Profit margins are smaller if you're looking at commercial scale. So now let's look at the improved Kienyeji pros and cons. These birds are a farmer's dream for business. So to begin with, they mature faster, reaching market size in 3 to 4 months. They also lay 220 to 280 eggs per year.
They're still hardy and can survive village conditions with proper care. Get me right. The only challenge is that they need structured management, that is, consistent feed and water, clean housing with proper ventilation, vaccination, and supplements for top performance. But if you manage them well, the profits are much higher compared to pure kienyeji. Whether you choose pure or improved kienyeji birds, the secret is in care and feeding. And these tips will guide you for success. So number 1, always provide clean drinking water. Dehydration leads to smaller eggs and weak shells. Number 2, use chicks, growers, and layer feed at the right stages. And number 3, give supplements like multivitamins, especially during vaccination. And also keep the chicken house clean and dry to avoid diseases. Finally, for layers, provide calcium for strong eggshells. Remember, the healthier the birds, the better the profits, okay?
Now, let's do a simple math comparison. If you keep 100 pure kienyeji, they may give you about 6,000 eggs per year. The same number of improved kienyeji could give you about 25,000 eggs per year. On the meat side, pure kienyeji takes almost double the time to mature compared to improved. So, if you want farming for home use and small cells, pure kienyeji works well. But if you want business and profits, improved kienyeji is the better option. At Cholla Farm, we sell both a live improved kienyeji and ready-to-cook chicken along with fresh eggs. We are based in Kisumu, but we deliver countrywide. If you want quality birds for meat or breeding, just give us a call on the number on your screen. So, what do you prefer? Pure or improved kienyeji? Tell us in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to inspire more farmers. And for more farming secrets, village life, and real stories from the farm, stay tuned right here at Cholla Farm. See you in the next video.